More areas have been placed under storm alarm as Typhoon Dodong draws closer to land. Pag-asa says the weather disturbance has accelerated and has maintained its strength. It was last plotted at over 500 kilometers east of Sorsogon City in the Bicol region with 150 km/h center winds. It also hit land in northern Luzon. With the approach of Typhoon Dodong, all agencies under the National Disaster Risk Reduction Management Council have been placed on alert. The details from Christine Santos.
Various government agencies are now on alert and ready as the Weather Bureau Pag-asa raised public storm warning signal in some parts of the country, particularly in Bicol region. The local government expressed its preparedness in case a preemptive evacuation is needed in areas affected by the typhoon. As of now, preemptive evacuation is still on hold. Dodong is the fourth typhoon which entered the area of responsibility this year. This weekend, the typhoon is expected to affect some tourist destinations, but Secretary Voltaire Gazmin did not recommend cancellation of vacation plans. However, he reminded those going to these areas to become cautious and monitor the weather condition.
Ang ating warning sa kanila, tuloy-tuloy lang ang pag-monitor nila ng takbo ng panahon upang sa ganun makapag-adjust sila sa kanilang mga activities. Mahirap naman gaya nung last time pinalis natin kasi hindi dumaan, nagalit sa atin. Kailangan i-monitor nila yung takbo ng bagyo so that alam nila kung may i-adjust nila yung kanilang actions.
Gazmin hopes the concerned agencies will perform their job well, especially when response and rescue operations are needed.
Napakaganda nung mga preparation. I do hope na pag may nangyari, itong mga preparation na ito ay talagang may sasagawa, hindi lang pang-briefing.
Aside from Typhoon Dodong, the PHIVOLCS is monitoring the Bulusan volcano. Earlier, alert level 1 was raised on Bulusan. According to PHIVOLCS Dr. Winch, they already advised CAAP to inform pilots to avoid 5-mile radius around Bulusan. The local government already suspended all human activities within the 4-kilometer radius permanent danger zone. Meanwhile, Sevilla cannot estimate the chances of volcanic eruption, but clarified that volcanic earthquakes are a sign that the eruption is possible.
Posible po na sa mga darating pong araw or linggo, magkaroon po uli ng mga ash and steam explosion. Kaya po, lagi naming pinapaalalahanan po ang ating mga kababayan. Recommendations po na dapat po wala pong human activities inside po sa 4-kilometer permanent danger zone.